How to remove profile PIN code from Netflix. Open any browser on your mobile and go to netflix.com. Log into the Netflix account. Once logged into the Netflix account, you will have this kind of interface. Here, tap this 3 lines on the upper left corner. Tap Account. On your account app, scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Select the profile you want to unlock. Tap Change near to Profile Lock. Enter your Netflix account password. Uncheck the box to remove the PIN requirement. Select Save. That's it. Open your Netflix app. You can see the profile locked removed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you.